So I'm at my daughter's house and she had to go out to a meeting at 5 o'clock. So it's going to be me making dinner. She's a much better cook than I am. So we're just going to see how this goes. But I'm going to make a curry. And the recipe I'm using, well, I'm not really using the whole recipe, but I'm going to use it for a base recipe is from Forks Over Knives. But there are other vegan recipes out there that I could use. And this one will be with a base that uses potatoes. So in this case, I'm going to use both sweet potatoes and regular potatoes that we have here. So sweet potatoes, regular red skin potatoes. I'll be serving our curry over brown rice this evening, so I'll start that at the beginning of the preparation since it takes about 45 minutes. And then I'm going to put a whole variety of vegetables in this curry. We'll be putting some carrots and celery, some cabbage, as I said, the potatoes, the onions. We're going to put a little bit of peppers in it and mushrooms. I didn't have them out here, but I'll put them out. And we had some snap peas. We'll be using that. I don't have any pineapple. A lot of people mentioned putting a little bit of sweetness like pineapple in it, but one person used apple and she said it was very good, and we'll be using a little bit of apple to bring out a tiny bit of sweetness. If you have curry powder, you can use that, but you can also add to it. So every curry is going to be a little bit different. One of the curries that I saw online looked like it had probably close to 20 different spices in it. And so curry is really a mixture of wonderful spices, and it's a really good way to get some of those antioxidants into your body that you get from spices that are so concentrated in those. But curry uses things like turmeric. You could do this separately, make your own curry powder with things like turmeric, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, garlic and onion, and cumin. Whenever you use turmeric, you're going to want to use a little bit of pepper to help you not only absorb that turmeric, but to help you use that turmeric in your body. It's such a great anti-inflammatory. And some people will use a little bit of heat. Here's some crushed red pepper, or cayenne is just fine if you want your curry to be much spicier. So the only thing I'll add to this little array here is the mushrooms that I forgot to take out. And I'll just give you an idea as I go along what it looks like and how it's turning out. So I have 3 hungry teenage boys to feed this evening, and luckily they are really good eaters, so I don't think I'll have any problem with this. Okay, here's the curry simmering nicely. It has thickened up considerably, even though I didn't even add any cornstarch to it. It's just got a nice broth to it, and smells wonderful. I tasted it. It tastes wonderful. I did actually use a little bit of a vegetable broth in this, which I don't usually use because I don't use the sodium or the salt in my diet so much. But I'm serving this to my grandsons, and so I did put that in it, and it really does bring out a lot of flavor in it when you add a little bit of salt like that. There's the rice in the back. It's ready, nice and fluffy. And lid on that. I'm going to add just a couple other things at the end here. At the very end, I'll add the pea pods and a little bit of pepper for color. And I'm still debating about the apple. I probably will put the apple for the little bit of sweetness, although I put, like you might remember, I put both regular and sweet potatoes, so it may have enough sweetness already to it. We'll see. Okay, so there we have it. I just added the last 3 ingredients, and it's just a very colorful, it smells wonderful, and it is delicious. I tasted it. It's very, very good. And loaded with nutrients, a nice hearty curry, very easy for dinner.